What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wrenching with a Veteran, episode 6. Today, we're talking about gratuity and being grateful and showing your gratitude towards those that help you out in everyday life. We're going to be working on a side-by-side, doing an axle replacement and a bushing replacement. You guys stay tuned. Now, what we're working on is a Polaris Ranger side-by-side. Don't really know the year of it, but we're going to tear into it, fix this corner so we can get it back down on the ground so Dad can use it. And we're just going to get after it. So you guys just hang tight, hang out. We're going to start tearing this thing down. Alright guys, so today we're working on Dad's side-by-side. Now I don't know about y'all, but my dad has done an awful lot for me throughout my lifetime. And he bought this side-by-side at an auction. And let's just say it is less than operational standard. And so as a gift to him, I'm going to fix this side-by-side for him. We'll go through this. Okay, let's get down here after it, boys and girls. We're going to start by taking this upper shock off, and then we're going to drop our tie rod here, and that way our swing arm can swing. Hello, Jed. Hello, Jed. And as we take these parts off of here, they are going to our pressure washer that we just got up and going because this thing is nasty. Come off of there. And we're going to throw our parts, our bolts, into our sonic cleaner so we can clean those up. Okay. Got the A-arms off. Let's go get this thing cleaned up and let's get it put back together. Well, okay, fellas and fellettes. We got Dad's side-by-side back together, but we discovered a few things. We're going to have to get Dad a couple of bushings. We got the axle in, we got everything put back together, all the parts are on there so nothing gets lost. But we're going to have to get some bushings so we can finish putting this back together correctly all the way. So you guys are going to have to be sure to stay tuned for part 2 on Dad's side-by-side, because we're definitely coming back to revisit this one.